Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to highlight the Segmentation Manager. With the release of CAMWorks 2026, Swiss machine support has been added. This also includes the brand new Segmentation Manager. The Segmentation Manager will also work for Milturn machines as well. In this case, I'm going to be using this Milturn part as an example for the Segmentation Manager. We're going to take a look at two different operations, turn rough 1 and turn finish 1. Both of these do not allow for the cutting of the left-hand side of the part. That's because the tool is not oriented to be able to cut on both sides. I'm going to quickly leverage the Segmentation Manager to split both of these operations. Opening the Segmentation Manager, I have this nice dialog box on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and add a new split plane. And then underneath of that box, it asks for a location. The easiest way to do it is select an entity. I'll pick this edge here, for instance, and then I can use these arrows to orient it, or just type in a number like -5. Now that the split plane has been oriented, I'm going to select the operations. It automatically recognizes turn rough 1 and turn finish 1. I'm going to highlight both of these, and then I'm going to split the operations. I'm then going to hit the green check mark, and then it asks a very important question. Would you like to sequence the operations as per the Z order? We're going to go ahead and hit yes. And then over on the left-hand side, you could see with my dynamic highlight that the different operations were created. We now have turn rough 2, turn rough 3, and then turn finish 2 and turn finish 3. Taking advantage of the Segmentation Manager, whether it's in Swiss machining or Milturn machining, makes it very easy to split up different operations. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.